What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. So today is going to be part 3 of my office makeover series. So we've already seen the mirrors. I'm using the tablet today because I have to charge my camera battery and it's going to take a few hours. And honestly, I don't want to wait because I have so much other stuff to do today. So I'm just going to use the tablet. It records for like an hour, which is better than like 30 minutes on my camera. So yeah. Is this recording? Okay, I couldn't tell if it was recording because this is way different than like my camera. Anyways, so we've seen the closet mirrors. We've seen this desk being built. I went to IKEA yesterday and I bought this little chair. It was only like $8. And I bought it because I had one of our dining room chairs in here and it made our dining room look weird because instead of having 6 chairs like it's supposed to, it had 5. So I just bought that as like a temporary thing while I wait and save up for the chair that I actually want. So finding these shelves, something to have in the background of my videos, took so long. There was like so many things on Amazon that I wanted that were pretty inexpensive, but they were all just like unavailable. They're out of stock. They wouldn't ship to my area. It was so frustrating. I finally settled on the Billy bookcases. I'll put a picture here. I settled on the Billy bookcases. I was originally going to get the two of the tall ones and then one of the short ones, just to have kind of like I don't know, just something interesting in the background. I decided against that because that was a lot of shelves to have to fill out, and my plan with the shelves or the bookcases was just to like fill them with my makeup. I don't have enough makeup to fill all that out. So instead, I settled on 2 of the small, like short 3-shelf bookcases, and that's what's going to be in the back of my videos. Oh. From here on out, it's literally just going to be me building the bookshelves. I'm going to speed through it just like I did with the desk because there's really not much to like show you when building it. And then I think what I'm going to do is take you guys to the dollar store with me, and I found these really adorable gold baskets where I can store all my makeup because right now I don't really have storage. The only thing I have are these like drawer separators that you kind of like link together to create sections, but that's not really gonna work on a bookshelf. So yeah, let's get started. This is what it comes in. This was actually so much heavier than I expected. Missy. I'm so mad. I like put my knee down on this thing and now there's a crack on the bottom of it, which is really annoying. I'm gonna have to somehow glue that or patch that, or like, I can't even turn it around because everything's like together, so that's really upsetting. And of course I would do it. Me of all people. Alright, that's pretty much it for building the bookshelf. It has these like little holes at the top because you can like mount it onto your wall. I'm not going to do that, so I'm literally just going to push it up against the wall. So yeah, let's do that. I am gonna build the second one and have them side by side just because that looks weird. Just let me see if I can show you from like a different angle. Maybe like with the door open. Like, can you see how it's like really empty? Oh, how can I show you? Because this stupid thing's in the way. Yeah, it's just like empty. I don't like that, so yeah, I'm gonna build the second one and then I will let you guys, I will show you once I'm done, and then I'll film the portion where I'm kind of like taking my makeup out of this dresser and putting it on the shelves area. And look at what my dumb butt did. I always do this kind of stuff. This is why I can't have nice things, and this is why I don't want to buy anything expensive, because I am a dumb butt. So look. I accidentally like stepped on this when I was putting this backboard on, and look. Ugh. I might just buy like white tape or something and like tape it together or paint it, but that's so annoying. Anyways, I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so I just finished both of the dressers. There they are. That's my chair. I think they look really nice. Two definitely looks better than one. Now I'm just gonna take all of my makeup and just stuff out of the dresser and just kind of organize it somehow on the shelves so I can get this out of here and get some of the trash and clutter out of here. So that is what you will be watching next. Okay, so I have most of it done. I dedicated that one to my makeup. That's literally all the makeup I have. It's not much. I just want to get some organizers to kind of fill it out a little bit more. I still have a whole empty, this way, that way, bottom shelf. And this is just all the miscellaneous stuff that I had inside of my dresser, which I'm gonna have to figure out how to organize because I literally have no idea how. And yeah, so that's it for now. I think I'm gonna go to the dollar store tomorrow and try to get all those cute little baskets. Although I'm not hating how it looks right now. Never mind, I don't like it. But yeah, and I'm gonna try and get some like vases like this one. Hold on. To put up in the back and just like make it look all cute and whatnot. And yeah, that's it for now. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, so it's the next day. I finally got my baskets at the dollar store. I actually went to the wrong dollar store and I realized I was going to the wrong one as I was driving there. But in order to like turn around and go to the other one where I saw the gold baskets, it would have taken me like 30 minutes because there's like road work and traffic, and I was just like, I don't want to deal with it. So I just went to like the one I always go to, and I found these baskets. I got these square ones and these white ones. I did want the gold because I didn't want like white on white, but I mean, gotta do what you gotta do. So I kind of reorganized my makeup since the last time you guys saw it. That's what it looks like, and that's most likely how I'm gonna keep it. And now I'm just gonna have to organize that one because it's very all over the place, and that's what these baskets are for. That's where it's at. This basket here has all of my like hair products and like styling stuff. This basket over here has like hair brushes, tweezers, hair ties, bobby pins. And this basket over here has all of the miscellaneous stuff. So I have like sunscreen, some jewelry in a bag, I don't know, some eye drops. And then these are just some random boxes that I had in my dresser. So like they're just there filling space. That's my camera box where I keep all the accessories for my camera and like, you know, anything filming. Down there I have my hair dryer and diffuser, and then just some like, miscellaneous stuff right there. So yeah, that is my current organization. I don't know how it's going to change throughout time. I still have a whole empty shelf here. I do plan on buying a lot of makeup before 2021 because 2021 I'm going on a very, very, very strict no buy because I've already bought a lot of makeup this year, and I'm even like trying to sell some stuff on Mercari because I'm like not using it. I don't like it. I don't want it, and it's just this big old thing. So yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this series. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me you know, organize the background of my videos, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any new uploads, and follow me on Instagram, linked in the description below. Also, don't forget to comment any questions, concerns, or just like, I don't know, if there's a product there that you like and you want to rave about it, tell us all about it, you know? Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!